Hello everyone, this is Harsha. I brought up with one new course, Basics of Python and its automation. So I make so many videos. If you start watching that videos in very less period of time, you can cover more content. So here is the index. I covered introduction of Python, if-else and else-if statements, for loops, built-in functions, try and except statements, list data types, for loops with lists, list methods in Python, dictionaries. So these all topics I covered with each and every topic I covered with examples. So if you are not understanding, if you have any queries, you can mention your doubts in commentary section too. So coming to this, here I covered advanced level. So here is automation part. So how to control mouse using Python code, how to control keyboard using Python code, how to capture users photo using Python code, how to convert colorful image into gray color, and guess a number game. So these all problems I make videos, you can watch it out. And each and every topic I mentioned serial numbers too. So according to these serial numbers, my videos will be done. So here JSON in Python and booleans and arrays in Python. So these are the topics I covered in my videos. And here coming to this interview questions, here in this interview questions, basic level, intermediate level and advanced level, nearly 70 questions, 70 important questions I covered. So please like my channel and do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.